The first question is, who was the founder of the Chola dynasty? The answer, Vijayalaya Chola. Which Veda is the source of music? The answer, Samaveda. Who issued the Nasik inscription describing himself as Lord of Dakshinapatha? The answer, Gautamiputra Satkarni. Who was the first Indian ruler to organize a standing army? The answer, Alauddin Khilji. Which Delhi Sultan imposed jizya tax on Brahmins for the first time? The answer, Firoz Shah Tughlaq. The famous Bhakti saint Kabir was a disciple of whom? The answer, Ramananda. Who wrote the historical work Raj Tarangini? The answer, Kalhan. Which Mughal emperor translated the Mahabharata into Persian? The answer, Akbar. The famous Battle of Ten Kings is mentioned in which Veda? The answer, Rigveda. Which ruler is known as the Napoleon of India? The answer, Samudragupta. Who introduced the Dehsala system of land revenue? The answer, Akbar. In which year was the first battle of Tarain fought? The answer, 1191. Who was the last ruler of the Maurya dynasty? The answer, Brihadrat. The Gandhar school of art developed during the reign of which dynasty? The answer, Kushanas. Which Indian king was called Amitraghat? The answer, Bindusar. Who was the first Delhi Sultan to invade South India? The answer, Alauddin Khilji. Which Indian freedom fighter started the newspaper Kesari? The answer, Bal Gangadhar Tilak. Who introduced the Mansabdari system in India? The answer, Akbar. What was the real name of the famous revolutionary Khudiram Bose? The answer, Khudiram Basu. Who led the Santhal rebellion of 1855-56? The answer, Sidhu and Kanho. Which Gupta emperor was known as Kaviraj? The answer, Samudragupta. Who was the founder of the Mughal Empire in India? The answer, Babur. The Quit India movement was launched in which year? The answer, 1942. Who was the Viceroy of India during the partition of Bengal in 1905? The answer, Lord Curzon. Which monument is known as the Dream in Stone? The answer, Taj Mahal. The Treaty of Purandar was signed between which two parties? The answer, Shivaji and Jai Singh first. Who wrote the Arthashastra? The answer, Kautilya. Who was the founder of the Vijayanagar Empire? The answer, Harihar and Bukka. The Indigo Revolt was led by whom? The answer Digambar and Vishnu Biswas. The title Rajarshi was given to which Indian king? The answer Ashoka. Who was the first Governor General of Free India? The answer Lord Mountbatten. Which dynasty built the Khajuraho temples? The answer Chandel. Who established the Atmiya Sabha? The answer Raja Ram Mohan Roy. The Allahabad pillar inscription is associated with which king? The answer Samudragupta. Which Delhi Sultan introduced the market reforms? The answer Alauddin Khilji. Who was the first woman ruler of Delhi? The answer Razia Sultan. The Simon Commission arrived in India in which year? The answer 1928. Which Harappan site is famous for its dockyard? The answer Lothal. Who among the following British officials played a key role in the abolition of sati? The answer Lord William Bentinck. Who gave the slogan Jai Hind? This last question is for you. Do answer the question in the comment section and give me your valuable feedback. Thanks for watching. Please like and share the video and subscribe the channel GK Sprint for more such videos.